So hello, welcome back to my channel. So I was busy few days, so sorry for that. So I will start with Q today. So the first thing is, many of you may not reach me out. So this is my Telegram group, t.me at the slash Sudeshna Bosch 135, okay, or Instagram Sudeshna underscore Bosch 95. So this here you can reach me out, or if you have any queries you can comment in comment section also. So we have done till stack. Now our next data structure is queue. So what is queue? So in due to COVID times, you maybe have seen that maintain a proper queue, and minimum distance should be maintained and all. So queue means, if you are in a counter, let's say if you are having a counter here, anything ticket counter, and a person is standing here and next person is standing here, so this is actually queue, and maybe this is the last person standing here. So this formation of line is called queue. So the first person is, let's say, front, and the last person here, let's say, rear. So how this is inserted and deleted? Let's say this is the last person, this is the front person. So this front person will take a ticket and go out of this queue. So and then next person will take its place, next will take its place, and like this will go on. So our in stack it was LIFO, last in first out, but here it is FIFO, first in first out. So this is very important. You don't have to memorize it. It's basically you can think it like this. This is FIFO. So now let's take the algorithm here. In queue algorithm, this is insert, this is delete. So don't get scared by this, because in GATE you don't have to write this. You just have to understand whatever algorithm is given and what they are asking. But in semester exam, this is asked sometimes, because in my semester I had, in third semester I was struggling how to remember, because not remember, but actually putting everything in correct position in your own words also. So I remember you are struggling. So let's see the algorithm here. This is our insertion operation, FIFO. So let me write it down here. First in, first out. So the first thing is, let's say this is our queue, this is our front, this is our rear. So if f is equals to 0, if f is pointing here and r is pointing n minus 1, means here, so let's say a b c d e, so the queue is full. So here it will print overflow and exit. This is our first option. Now if f is equals to r plus 1, see, q can be represented in one of my previous videos. I have told you that q can be represented in some like circular also. So if our q is circular, and let's say here f is equals to, let's say here it is f, and this is nothing like this will go on. Our like circular linked list, it is also circular. So if f equals to r plus 1, let's say a b c d e f, so then it's also full. So what we will write overflow and exit from the program. So now our next is, if f is equals to minus 1, if see f is somewhere outside our queue, so then we have to do set f equals to 0 and r equals to 0. F is equals to 0, r equals to 0. Now next, when one person is entered, then r will point here, like this it will go on. Now our target is, if f is equals to minus 1, we have to do f and r, we have to set it to 0. Else if r equals to n minus 1 here, then set r equals to 0. if it r would have been pointed n minus 1, then it have to point it to 0, or else if is nothing, these conditions are not there, just do r plus 1, means just increase the pointer. Number 3, q r equals to data. All of these conditions are fulfilled, then see data is whatever letter, let's say x is inserted in our q, then exit. Okay, so this is our q insertion. So what we do, we check the conditions. If it is overflow, then exit. If it is not overflow, check these conditions, and then our insertion is happening. So now here, now q delete. So you have to delete from front only. Okay, so let's see the condition here. If f equals to minus 1, see this condition is same as this condition. See, f is pointing somewhere here, so it is here what? It is nothing, it is having nothing, so it will print underflow and exit. So now next, if underflow is not there, so move fq, let's say q of f, sorry not fq, q of f front rear. What I told you, that deletion will happen from the front side and the insertion will happen from the at the bottom. We always go like this, na? We enter a queue we have to go to the desk, the front people when start exiting from our queue, we go forwards like this only. So fq is equals to item q of f. So this, let's say here it was a, it will be deleted and it will be put to item. Let's say item is a variable, it will be put here. So this is deletion happening. Now if f equals to r, so now if f equals to r, set f equals to minus 1 and set r equals to minus 1. See, if f equals to r, see it is pointing, f and r is pointing to both here same. So we have to set the pointers to minus 1 so that the q becomes empty. Else if f equals to n minus 1, if f is pointing here, then set the pointer here. If f equals to n minus 1, it was pointing here, set f equals to 0, or else just don't do anything. If nothing is there, just increase the pointer, just delete from front and increase the pointer. So this is our q. So it may look a bit difficult, but it is not. With more examples, it will be very clear to you. Okay, so now we will move on to examples.